y'all, it's your girl Janice and back with another freaking video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair to look like this. In other words, how I got my hair to look popping with a refresh. I washed my hair yesterday and I didn't put any products in it, so that way I could do this video for you guys, because I know a lot of people have been asking me for it. So yeah, so if you want to see how I got my hair super freaking curly on day 2 after wash day, make sure you keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, because my shit is bomb. But look. Like, what? If your hair don't look this good on a refresh, baby, you need a refresh. But I just wanted to take the time out and say rest in peace to George Floyd and everybody else who has died, Breonna Taylor, everybody else who has died during the rioting situations. I'm not going to get too into that because I might do a video on it, I don't know, but I just want everybody of color and white people, I guess I would say, to know that everybody matters. It's not about all lives mattering right now. All lives can't matter until Black Lives Matter do. Until Black Lives Matter. I ain't gonna say too much, like I said, because this isn't that video, but I can't post a video without paying my respects, because the world is crazy right now. So with the rioting, the protesting, the looting, the corona, the fake corona, it's like, yeah, it's just a lot. So I hope everybody's being safe. I hope everybody's using your voice, because remember, silence speaks volumes, okay? Your silence is heard. Your silence is heard. So yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see how I got my hair to look bomb like this on day 2, make sure you guys keep watching. Alright, y'all, I'm not going to talk too much because it's pretty much self-explanatory since you guys are watching me, but I will explain a little bit just in case anything gets confusing. So of course you're going to need a water bottle, a spray bottle, something that you can, get your hair wet with. But first you want to comb your hair out. I use this wide tooth comb because my hair is usually not that knotty, and I always part my hair in the middle. It's up to you how you want to comb your hair. So yeah. Okay, so all I'm doing next is getting my hair wet, so I'm not really going to talk the whole time. It might look like I'm using a lot of water, but I'm not. My hair is just really dry. I didn't put no product in it the day before, and like I said, it was like just dry. So it might look like a lot of water, but I promise you it's not. So just get your whole head wet. Okay, so now that my hair is wet, I'm gonna use my Herbal Essence Curl Boosting Mousse. Like I said, it's my favorite one, so I'm just going to scrunch my hair with this, which again is self-explanatory, so I just let you guys watch me do that. Okay, so right now I am going to scrunch my hair with the Curl Scrunch Gel from Fructis Garnier, and I'm doing it the same way that I've been. I'm just starting with parting my hair on the side and scrunching it that way. Okay, so now I am using my spray gel, and I'm going to spray that all around my hair so that basically I'm getting any parts that I missed with gel. And also this gel helps my hair be a lot more shinier, and it also helps define my curls. So I'm just spraying that around my head and scrunching it in everywhere. And now I'm just using my toothbrush and my spray gel. I'm putting it on my toothbrush, and I'm just getting my edges. I'm not really doing my edges. I'm just getting those areas so that they stay moist, and eventually they curl up and they look super cute. So that's why I do that, because usually those areas stay dry during my refresh. So I always try to target those areas. So y'all, that's pretty much it for my refresh. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my hair looks like when it's dry. This is the finishing product of my hair. As always, my hair is popping. It's been This is about almost an hour after I did it. Like I said, don't use too much water, don't use too much product, and you'll have some real good curl results. Also, not using a lot of heat helps. It's like week 7 that I've been on my no heat streak, so my hair has grown a lot. It's definitely a lot more curlier and healthier. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. And in my next video, I'll be explaining how you guys can start getting shout outs in the beginning of my videos. So stay tuned for that. At 1,600 subscribers, I'll be announcing my subscriber giveaway. My halfway to 2K subscriber giveaway. It'll be a Cash App prize, so make sure you guys stay tuned and leave a thumbs up, a like, a comment. Make sure you share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hold on, let me get y'all some light. Make sure y'all tell a friend to tell a friend that JNS is back. I had to take a little break. It's just too much going on in the world right now. Okay, so yeah, I love y'all. I hope y'all are doing well. And yeah.